If you're new to Linux OS, you'll need a step-by-step guide that not only aids you through the installation and configuration processes of each distro, but also explains how to maximize the use of the distros according to what it was built for. This video has been published keeping an average person with little to no knowledge about Linux in mind. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Here, we not just talk Linux, but test each distro to find a suitable one for new users according to their specific needs. Linux, which first started as a hobby, has now become a full-fledged operating system with a large fan base worldwide. Today we'll be looking at one of the best distros out there, which is Zorin OS. By the end of this video, you'll be able to install Linux on your Windows machine or virtual machine. Whatever you prefer, the procedure is almost the same. We would also discuss frequently asked questions new users might ask, so do well to stick till the end of the video, because we would conclude by elaborating on what this distro is best suited for, based on the testimonies of end users. Plus, I'll give you a useful tip for installing Zorin alongside Windows. GNOME might be a heavy desktop environment in terms of resource usage, but here is the minimum system requirement to run Zorin OS smoothly. Now, head to the official website to get the image. On the site, there are various editions. For this video, I'll be downloading the Core edition, which is about 4 gigabytes in size. If you are using an old PC, you can try out the light version of Zorin, which can perform better on low-end PCs. After downloading, you should first create a bootable USB drive. If you don't know how to do this, check my video link in the description on how to create a bootable drive using the Ventoy tool. If you just want to test out the distro, you can use a virtual machine such as VMware Workstation. On the other hand, otherwise for installation as the base system, you're still good to go. The installation process is similar, though the installation process for both cases is similar. The slight difference is that you'll need to tap on the boot key to get into the boot menu when installing directly to your hard drive. With a virtual machine, you only need to insert your USB bootable media, and it will automatically enter into the boot menu. While installation is going on, here are some tips on the frequently asked questions. To conclude this video, we'll discuss what this OS could be used for. Zorin is based on Ubuntu 2004, so it has been more stable, steady, and secure. Some folks believe it to be more stable than Windows. I don't know about that. Talking about Windows, Zorin is perfect for users who want a smooth transition, not too steep, from Windows ecosystem to Linux. The overall desktop experience mimics the looks and feel of Windows. It is highly recommended for new users. Plus, Zorin OS can be used as a daily driver, and it comes pre-installed with common apps for day-to-day activity, such as LibreOffice Suite for managing Word documents and making presentations, etc. If you need more apps, thanks to Zorin's large app catalog, where you'd have access to thousands of apps, Zorin also has Wine pre-installed, which allows you to run Microsoft apps. If you're a gamer, Zorin is not bad when it comes to gaming. Unlike Windows, Linux is not optimized for gaming. By default, Zorin OS comes with game mode installed, but needs manual activation. Before you venture into gaming, you should test run your computer support for game mode. And for that tip I earlier spoke about, check my video on how to partition Windows to create a large available disk space that can be used to install the OS. Watch out for my video on the best lightweight Linux distro